You want to get in Anuja, 37 for the BJP. This is where double engine ki sarkar is. This is where Yogi is a popular chief minister, and I can tell you that he is a popular chief minister. Prime Minister Modi continues to be very popular in the Hindi heartland, especially in Uttar Pradesh. I come from Lucknow, so I can attest to that. Yeah, the Karan as well. Did something go wrong in your calculations? Because by the looks of it, it did.
Jai Shri Ram. No, nothing went wrong. It's just the starting of it, which they have quickly celebrated. I would just say wait and hang on, because there are rounds which need to be fulfilled. The EVM, they have now, I hope, as we've all clearly saying, at least they will not bite us back on the EVM. They will celebrate their, what they look like right now for them is they want to celebrate. So what with this, we look around. अरे तो मैं सवाल का जवाब ही तो दे रही हूँ. कहाँ जा रहे हैं हम? किसने बोला जा रहे हैं? उत्तर प्रदेश हमारा है. योगी मोदी ये डबल सरकार यहाँ है. क्या लड़कियों का बलात्कार फिर से वापस आएगा? क्या गैंगस्टर का राज फिर से वापस आएगा? क्या मोदी और योगी ने जो इन्वेस्टमेंट यहाँ लाके करी है उसको कोई भूल सकता है क्या उत्तर प्रदेश में? क्या ये जो बुलडोजर के साथ जो योगी ने एक अपनी अपनी जगह दिखाई है, एक जस्टिस दिखाया है, क्या लोग भूल जाएंगे? मुझे नहीं लगता. मैं सिर्फ याद दिलाना चाहती हूँ समाजवादी पार्टी को कि आप बहुत जल्दी अपना केक मत काटिएगा, क्योंकि अभी वक्त है और वो वक्त होगा कि जब सामने नजर आएगा आपको. तो इसीलिए आप अपना बहुत जल्दी अपना जो एक गुरूर आप में नजर आ रहा है, this won't go well with you. So what we are seeing, and we are hanging on. We don't want to get overconfident onto this. We are confident enough under the leadership of Modi ji, and what he has done for Uttar Pradesh, what Modi and Yogi has done, you will see, you will figure out, because everything
you said
is connected with Uttar Pradesh.
I need to respond, ma'am.
Achha, you said Jai Shri Ram as you began. 1 minute, Mr. Silas. Just to tell you that Faizabad, Ayodhya, still no clarity on who's winning this one. There's been a seesaw. Sometimes you have the BJP candidate up, sometimes you have the Samajwadi Party candidate up. So has Ram Mandir had any influence in this election? That remains to be a subject of debate, whether this is a Ram election, a Ration election, or something else altogether. But all of that will come into play only post 5 o'clock, ladies and gentlemen. The plan was, Mota, Mr. Silas, the plan was that by 3 the picture will be absolutely clear, and the victory parade will then take place at the BJP headquarters. In the morning we were even discussing what time the Prime Minister is expected to speak, and all of us were unanimous in our analysis that perhaps prime time 8 o'clock. We'll see if that happens or not, because it may very well happen, but that will not be the story. If these numbers hold, that will not be the story. The story will be the story will be the opposition. But Mr. Silas, go ahead. You wanted to say something.
Yes, as the panelist from the Bharatiya Janata Party said that we are arrogant and we are egoistic. Not at all, ma'am. We are abiding by what the people of the mandate the people of Uttar Pradesh has given. I think Karan, my dear friend, is sitting here. We were on a debate in Vijay Chowk about, say, 15 days back. Karan, if you remember, I said the Samajwadi Party will be winning the Ayodhya seat, and you were astonished. I said yes, and at the moment, as of now, let me tell you, the Samajwadi Party is leading Ayodhya by 5,620 votes, 5,619 to be precise. So yes, the people of Ayodhya, or if you see in Purvanchal, I said, Karan, the second thing that I told you was that Purvanchal has 27 seats, and we will be doing, yes, and at the moment the Samajwadi Party is leading in 18 seats out of those 27 seats. That is what I told you, because we were on ground, we were working on ground, we were working hard, and the response that we were getting from the people of Uttar Pradesh was phenomenal. And I just hope that this data hangs on and Samajwadi Party increases its tally.
नहीं विवेक जी, आई वॉज जस्ट थिंकिंग उस समय आपकी जुबान पे सरस्वती बैठी हुई थी, कुछ अच्छा ही मांग लेते आप, कुछ अच्छा मांग लेते भाई उस समय.
करण भाई मैंने तो आपसे कहा था कि आप लोग को बहुत सरप्राइजिंग होगा, एंड यू आल्सो सेड कि ये तो पूरे वर्ल्ड की एक बड़ी न्यूज होगी।
नहीं, आई एग्री, यू आर बैंग ऑन। नो अरे मुझे बोलने दीजिए, मैं बताता हूँ। ही इज बैंग ऑन, श्रेया, आई हैव टू अग्री, एंड आई वाज थिंकिंग अबाउट हिम ओनली राइट नाउ, एंड इट्स कोइंसिडेंस दैट ही इज हियर, बट आई जस्ट होप ही हैड विश्ड समथिंग ग्रेट फॉर द कंट्री। समाजवादी पार्टी के लिए 40 सीट भाई, अब पता नहीं भाई।
It is great for the country if
That is what you
if
think, I
our
don't know.
democracy na
Democracy,
if our democracy has a
these
strong
people जो
opposition.
सुबह तक कह रहे थे हम कफन बांधेंगे, जो कह रहे थे अगर हमारे 79 आउट ऑफ 80 नहीं आए तो सही नहीं है कुछ भी, अखिलेश said 79 आउट ऑफ 80 आने जा रहे हैं, and if our expectations are not met, then youth are ready to go on the streets. So they are, I don't know how good they are for the democracy, but yes, they've done well. That has to be said.
And you have to give it to the wisdom of the people of this country. Na, if they are the ones saying that the opposition deserves a
Let's
chance.
see. The wisdom of the people, you know, that's a subjective issue
The
altogether.
wisdom of this country has
People-
trusted the Prime Minister twice, so don't question it.
Let me just complete one sentence. The people of this country in 2014 regretted voting out Vajpayee in 2004, and they called the 2004 to 14 the lost decade. So many reports. So in retrospect, only in hindsight can we know whether it was the right decision or not. But anyways, Modi 3.0 is all set to load tonight. So please
That's true.
relax.
But Nilanjan, that has some very interesting numbers. That